Yo, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today we are making a livery for the FC, and now we need to take some measurements to know where to place the stickers and how big they need to be. And that's what we're gonna do right now. So let's go. That's the best. Okay, no. Okay guys, now we took some measurements, and now we're gonna need to design the stickers, and then we're gonna print them, and yeah, we'll show you how this works. Now I designed some stickers on the computer, and now we're gonna print them, and then we're gonna put them on the car. Okay guys, we just put this sticker on, and I'm pretty happy how it turned out. We just printed it, and now we're thinking to put this one on. But the thing is, I think we first need to put something over here, because this looks pretty empty, and the other sticker, this one, needs to go on top of the gold ones. And now we're gonna need to make some new stickers. That's the same sticker for the other side. And yeah, that's the basic design of the car. I'm pretty happy how it turned out. It looks pretty good. There's some bubbles in the wrap, but I think in the sun they will go away after some heat. And that's where we're at now. But I think the car looks pretty good now, to be honest. What do you think? People want to hear your opinion.
No comments. Very good.
Very good. Okay. Yeah. Now we make some new stickers for this hole here. It looks very empty, and then we need to think what we're gonna put on the hood or on the bonnet, wherever you're from. In Germany we say Motorhaube, but yeah. The gold looks pretty sick though. It fits good to the wheels, and that means garage in Japanese, and that's the website where you can buy stickers. For now we have these stickers in the shop. These Dreams, Already Dead, Garage 86, and Endless Nights, and you can choose like what color do you want below. And the first 5 people who comment on this video, because on the last video nobody commented, get stickers for free. Guys, what's wrong with you? Nobody wants sticker for free or what? Just comment, like video, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and then you get some free stickers. Easy. yeah, that's it. I'm gonna pick you up when we're inside designing some new stickers for this empty spot here. And after that, we're gonna put Garage 86 on the door. Okay guys, now we designed some new stickers, and now we're gonna send the data to the printer, and then we're gonna cut them out. And that's should be enough to fit the hole on the front wing. It turned out pretty well. Now we filled this spot and we put the Garage 86 label on, and now everything we need to do is like fill these little areas with smaller stickers. I don't know which stickers we're gonna put, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna find something that fits pretty good there. And the other thing is what we're gonna put on the hood. I have no idea yet, but we will see. But I think it looks pretty good now. Yeah, that's the end result. And that's it for today's episode. Hope you liked it, and we're gonna see you in the next video, guys.